Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and in this video, I want to show you a particular business that I've been doing for over a year and that keeps paying me consistently on weekly and monthly basis. Okay, now I'm not talking about COTP, IPC, football, city what, and all that, all those campsites that they promoted to you guys. No, I'm talking about real business, real online business that you would do and you go to bed with your eyes closed, knowing fully well that you will not be scammed. Okay, now I've been doing this business for over a year and I get paid consistently. I'm going to show you all the proof of my withdrawal to my BTC wallet and all that. Just stick with me from the beginning of this video to the end of the video and you get to understand the concept and the step-by-step you need to take for you to start earning consistently. Okay, now if this sounds like something that is interesting to you, I want you to stick with me on this video from the beginning to the end and I'll show you the step-by-step to take. Okay, now let's get to my
Okay,
system.
guys, like I rightly told you from the intro of the video, here I am right inside of the dashboard of ICX. Okay, now you might want to ask, what is the meaning of ICX? Okay, the meaning of ICX is actually innovation in commerce and exchange. Okay, this is the logo of the company. It's called ICS 101. So the full meaning of the ICS is innovation in commerce and exchange. Okay, so basically the company actually does in e-commerce, okay, forex trading and NFT, okay, a whole lot of bunch of things that the company actually do. And like I rightly told you, before I go forward, I think I should show you some of my withdrawal income to actually let you know that truly this company has been paying consistently. Like I rightly told you, I've been in this company for the past 1 year, okay, over a year now, and they've never failed. They keep paying consistently. You can see. Let me just show you from I actually joined in June 2001, and since June 2001, I've been making, you can see, approved. These are withdrawals, okay. These are withdrawals, okay, consistently. You can see September 19th, 2021, down to this is a withdrawal I actually made, I think on the, that should be last week, okay, on the 27th of June, okay, 2022, you can see $140 worth of BTC, okay, consistently I've been withdrawing, okay, and here we are in July of 2022. Since June 2021 up to date, it keeps paying, okay. So also let me show you the coin of the company. We actually have a coin that is called iComex, okay. The name of the coin is called iComex. You can see the coin on CoinGecko is listed on CoinGecko. This is the value of the coin presently as we speak, okay. Now you can decide to do with the coin, or you can decide to go along with the trading package, okay, of the company, where you get to be paid 5% weekly of your total package, or 1% daily for 5 trading days, okay, from Monday to Friday. The company gets to pay you 1% of your total package, okay. Now that you've seen that the company actually pays, and I've shown you the approved money I've withdrawn so far from the company, let me show you the trading package that we actually have. We have different kind of packages here, ranging from $20 down to about let me see, about $5,000. You can actually invest to the company. You keep getting a percent each day, which is 5% per day. You can rightly see it here. From $20, you can see Pro $20, $40, $100. We have 250 package. We have 5,500 package, 1,000 package, 2,500 package, $5,000 package. Like you can rightly see here on my dashboard, on this particular one, I think I did $1,000 package, okay, and that's a whole lot, because on it I keep getting about 1% each day of that, okay, and I take home about 5% of that every week, okay. So it's very, very, very profitable for you to do, okay. This is something you would do and you rest assured that your money is safe. I'm not talking about IPC, Football 64 and all those scamming websites like they used to promote to you guys, okay, that in 1 or 2 months the business is off and your money is gone, okay. This is a business that you do with your eyes closed, and you'll be rest assured that your money is in safe hands. Okay. Let me just log out. I actually have like about 3 accounts here. Okay. So let me just log out of this particular account, and I'm going to show you one of my other accounts that I have $1,000 package in. Now, also, when you join, you also have advantage of getting their forex signal. They actually give forex signal for free if you join. Okay, so you can see here the current. You can see current package here, which is Pro 1000. That tells you I actually subscribe for $1,000 package here. Okay, and that was just about 2 weeks ago on this particular package. Okay, and I'm going to show you for the 2 weeks so far. Like I told you, it is 5% per week. Let me go to what I've received so far on this particular package, which is trading reward. I go to trading reward here. Okay, and it's going to show me what I've earned so far. Okay, you can see $49 and also $47. Okay, which is about $100 there, almost $100. This is about 46 $96 here. Okay, this is about $96. Let me go here. If I want to withdraw this right away, I can just come down to withdrawal. When I click on withdrawal, it's going to come here. You can see available e-wallet. I have $96 here that if I want to withdraw, I just click on send OTP and I get it confirmed in my email. Okay, then I get my BTC wallet in there and I'll get this $96 withdrawn. Okay, you can withdraw anytime within the week. Okay, even within weekend you can withdraw, but you can get your money. Okay, most times it comes during the weekdays. Okay, but you can withdraw anytime, and the threshold is $50. Provided you have up to $50 here, you can withdraw your money at any time. Okay, but the assurance I'm giving you though is an online business. Okay, they actually trade for you because the company is into trading of forex and also NFT. Okay, and also the e-commerce aspect of it. Okay, but for me personally, I feel very, very cool with the company because I've been involved with them for over a year, like I rightly told you, and they have never disappointed in a day. Okay, now you might want to ask, who are the people behind this business? Okay, I'm going to show you. Let me go to the media. This is the Telegram channel of the company. Actually, recently the company actually had an event in Nigeria, an award ceremony in Nigeria. The company is domiciled in the UK. Okay, headed by the CEO, Mr. John Agre. Okay, now this is the Chief Marketing Officer, Mr. Ash Islam. His name is Mr. Ash Islam. Is based in the UK office, head office, and I'm going to show you the CEO. I'm going to show you the CEO quickly. Now, this is the CEO, Mr. John Agre. This is a video. Let me just show you a picture of him. His name is Mr. John Agre. This is also a video. I'm sorry about that. But this is the CEO here. And this is the Chief Marketing Officer. This was the event that was held in Nigeria last week. Okay. It was a very nice event. I think I have it. Okay, yeah, this is the CEO here, Mr. John Agre. He was in Lagos, Nigeria recently, okay, for the award ceremony. And also, if you are in Nigeria and you have some reservation about a company, like, oh, you want to go to their office, they have an office here in Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria, okay? You can visit their office at Ogba. The place is called Ogba, Ikeja, Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, I'm going to leave the address of the company here. Okay, I'm going to drop the address even below this video. Okay, so you can go to the office and get to see things for yourself. Okay, this is one of the this is the seminar hall of the company. Okay, this is right here in Lagos, Nigeria. This is the seminar hall of the company. Okay, so you can go there if you need any clarification or whatsoever you want to ask. You can go there. The company is also duly registered here in Nigeria with CAC. Okay, the company also has an office in the Philippines, about to open an office in Ghana. Okay, and so many other places. Okay, so I'm just saying this to let you know that the company is legit and it's been paying. Okay, so you just need to do. I'm going to leave a link. Okay, to the the website below this video. So all you just need to do is to come, you click when you register, okay, through the link I'm going to drop below this video. You come to this trading pack here, okay. You click on the trading pack, then it's going to take you to the different packages, okay, that is available with the company. Like I already showed you earlier, from $20 down to $5,000, okay. Let's assume you want to buy the one for the $500. All you just need to do is to click on buy with balance, okay. Now, let me also show you some other benefit that comes with this, each package of this businesses, that comes with any of those packages here. You can see you can get signal. You can actually trade Forex with them. Like, okay, you want to be trading Forex on your own, but that does not stop them paying your dividend. But you also want to be getting Forex signal. You come down here, okay, look at education. You come down here, signal services. The company actually posts its signals every single day where you can take advantage of the Forex signals. You can see in 3 minutes, a minute ago, they told you that you should buy USD card. Okay, you can see different signals that the companies actually pay. Now, if you are to go outside, you'll be paying a whole lot of money to get those signals. But if you are part of the company, then automatically you begin to get those Forex signals absolutely for free, okay. And it's been very, very profitable. Like, if I can show you some of the signals so far, even for today, that I've taken, okay. I don't know if you can actually see it well, but you can see some of the signals for today. It's been profitable. We've been taking, you can see they are all blues, okay. So all you need to do, like I rightly said, if you want to pick any of the packages, is to go to package, okay. Then you click on this, come to, let's assume you want to add $500 to your account. You can also come to here, add funds, okay. Then you come down, either you add through BTC or you add through USDT. Let's assume I want to add USDT to use to buy the package. I click on USDT, then I'm going to wait, it's going to load. Let's assume I want to buy $500 package. I put $500 in there and it says add fund. I click on add funds. It's going to load, okay. Then after I load, it's going to bring me here. All you just need to do is to copy this USDT address, okay, and then you pay in this 500.7896000 into the account directly, okay, into this USDT accounts. After you've done that, okay, after you paid, you transfer the USDT, the 500 USDT to this wallet address, then you come down here and you click pay with USDT Tron. Okay, is TRC 20, okay, is Tron, is TRC, is Tron. The USDT is actually Tron. After you must have transferred the coin to this wallet, then you come down here and you click pay with USDT Tron, okay. Then automatically your package will be attached to your account and you start earning 1% daily of the package that you buy, and that is 5% weekly, okay, because the company actually trade Monday to Friday, okay. So that 1% a day makes it 5% in a week, okay. I will encourage you to take advantage of this because you don't need to do anything. You are not trading by yourself. The company actually do the trading. All you need to do is to sit back and take profits, okay. And like I already told you, you can withdraw your profits anytime that you feel you want to withdraw, provided the threshold is up to $50, you can withdraw your profit, okay. So that is the review I have for you this particular time concerning ICX, okay. The company is legit, like I told you, is domiciled in the UK and they have office here in Lagos, Nigeria, and also in some other places, okay. So I want to believe you take advantage of this great opportunity and begin to earn without you doing absolutely nothing. All you just need to do is sit back and you earn, okay. And also, before I forget, I need to show you this. You will actually earn this money for 52 weeks, which is about a year, okay? You earn this for 52 weeks. Good 52 weeks. Each week, you keep taking profit for 52 weeks, which is a year, okay? You can see it, Unlimited Forex Academy. These are the benefits you're going to get. Let's go with the 500. Unlimited Forex Academy, you're going to go Unlimited Forex Academy. You're going to get 5 months high power signal. The signal I showed you down here, you get free Forex signal for good 5 months. You're going to get an e-commerce store. Like I already told you, the company has an e-commerce store where you can actually sell goods and services and people buy from all over the world. Okay, then the trading account is 500, like is there. Then the business points. Okay, now let's assume you join the company and you also bring in, you refer somebody to join. The company is going to pay you 10% of these business points. Okay, so you see that there are different ways for you to actually earn from this company. Like I said earlier, you can see duration here, 52 weeks. You're going to earn for 52 weeks and you're going to earn up to 5% weekly. 5%, you're going to earn up to 5%. And since I joined, it has not gone less than 4%. Okay, so it's up to 5% weekly, but most times it's always 5% weekly. Okay, so I want to believe you got value from this and you're going to take advantage of this particular opportunity and then begin to earn endlessly for 52 weeks, which is about a year. Okay, now let's do a math here. Okay, let's assume you actually invested $1,000. Let me get my calculator. Okay, let me get my calculator. Let me get my calculator, just a minute. Okay, so let's assume you invest, you get a package for $1,000 and you're going to get 5% weekly. Okay, then we're going to say times 0.05, which equals $50. Okay, so you're going to get $50 times 4. You remember we have 4 weeks in a month, so we're going to say $50 times 4. Okay, that is what? That is 200. That is a month. You're going to get $200. Okay, now this $200, we're going to multiply it by 12, which is a year, which is that 52 weeks that you're entitled to. Okay, so we're going to say times 12. Okay, you can see this is $2,400. This is $2,400, right, for that 52 weeks, which is a year. Then you minus just the $1,000 that you invested into the business. So you'll be left with $1,400. You can imagine a huge profit that you'll be making from this business. You'll be left with a huge $1,400 for that 1 year. Okay, so I think the decision is left with you if you are to take advantage of this opportunity or not. But from the look of things, you will agree with me that this is a golden opportunity that you should take advantage of. Okay. Like I already said, I'll be dropping the link, okay, to this particular website below this video. And also remember, do me good by liking this video, give it a thumbs up, okay, and subscribe to the channel so that when next I post another valuable video like this, you'll be the first that will get to see it. And also remember, click that notification button, okay, so that you get to see my videos. Okay. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Take care of yourself and bye-bye. Ciao.